Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are getting ready to go out to dinner in the city. We're actually going to one of our favorite restaurants, which is Tuome. I'm sure you guys have heard us mention it before. So I figured I would do a little get ready with me.
It's not just a restaurant. It's the best restaurant.
How did you hear me from all over there?
Don't disrespect it.
Oh my god. Anyways, so yeah, I just decided to film a little for you guys as I get ready. I have been using the Rare Beauty foundation recently, and I actually really like it. Normally, I honestly don't like foundation at all. I normally just stick to like my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer just because it's super light coverage and I hate feeling like there's stuff on my face. But this foundation is actually really good. Very like lightweight, I would say. Not as lightweight as a tinted moisturizer, but pretty lightweight. So I just have that on. Now I'm just doing a little cream contour. It's actually really hard to talk like this. This is like my favorite brush ever to do cream contour with, and I just hate that it sheds so much. It's like this MAC brush and it's perfect for it, but definitely sheds, which is very annoying. Yeah, this is just the foundation with contour. I know I look crazy. Like I said, I'm getting ready. Excuse all the mess back here. I just have my clothes laid out that I'm gonna wear, and then we're doing laundry, so things are a mess. But yeah, we're really excited to go to Tuome. And a big reason we're excited to go is because they honestly closed throughout the entire pandemic. They just reopened, so it was really sad. Like, of course, like all the small businesses, you know, definitely a rough time for everyone during this time. And you know, it's just crazy. Like, you never think like your favorite restaurant, a Michelin-starred restaurant, whatever, like, you know, struggle through something like this. So we're just really happy that they were able to reopen, and of course we're gonna go and support. Now I'm just gonna cover up these hideous under eye circles. I honestly do not put that much of this on. Maybe I should. It's just, you know, the Shape Tape that everyone uses. But I don't know. I feel like if you put too much, it gets cakey, so I'd rather just spread it along. The difference is crazy. Now I'm gonna try the Rare Beauty blush in Joy. This was sold out forever. Can't get it out of here. I heard a little goes a long way, so that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, I may have put too much on this side. Okay, I like barely touched this, and I bet you this will still be way too pigmented. Oh my god, Selena Gomez was not playing around when she made this. Do you see my cheek? God. You guys saw how little I put on, and look at this. Oh my god, I'm like scared to put this much on this side. Just gonna take a bit off. Okay, this side's looking pretty good. I know I look really pale. The lights from my vanity just washed me out. I promise I do not look this pale. I hope you guys can see how bright this is. Oh my god, I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, I think it's blended out enough. My cheeks are definitely looking rosy, that's for sure. Lately, I've been going in with this other concealer by Josie Moran. It's just like a lighter concealer to try and like actually highlight my under eye circles because they need help. So I just put a little bit here, a little bit here. Just try and like brighten up that area there. I also saw this trick. I think it was Make It by Samuel. He usually goes in with more of like a pressed powder before going in with the baking powder. So I think I'm gonna try that out today. What is this?
We could just have something together and vibe out.
So my face is pretty much done. I don't know why it makes me look so pale. Okay, maybe you can see it a little better now. I don't know what it is, but anyways, so I recently got some of Makeup by Mario's makeup, so I'm just trying to figure out if this is what I want to use today. I just put like a subtle crease shade by Kylie Cosmetics. I can't even open this thing. But this is actually the second palette from Mario that I bought. I did get the original, not original, like just the all matte palette because I thought that was genius, and I definitely need a palette like that. I literally can't open this. The freak. My nails are so long. Finally I got it. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. These are the nails that I got. I love them. It's been like about 2 weeks since I got them done, but I absolutely love them. They make me so happy. Okay, so this is the palette. This one's called Master Metals. It looks really pretty. Wow. These are stunning. Do you see this? Wow. I'm obsessed with these. I'm trying to figure out which one would go good, like well with my outfit. I'm just wearing a gray dress, black like knee-high boots, and a leather jacket, so I feel like really any of these would look good. I did buy the manipulator. You're basically supposed to like scrape some of this and mix it in here with the manipulator, and then it gives you like intense pigment, and then you put that on your eyelids. But I don't know, it's really beautiful though. I'm really excited for the matte one to come in. I actually ordered that one online because I was scared it was gonna sell out, and then yesterday I went to Sephora and ended up getting this one. So I really love this packaging. Like, I kind of don't want to throw it out. It's really cute. So I know that you're supposed to use the manipulator and mix it and everything, but honestly, I am really running out of time, so I'm just gonna see what it looks like with just a regular brush. I'm gonna try out this gold shade right here. I think that would look pretty cute. Just gonna gently tap some on there. Yeah, so I just tried to use it without the manipulator, and you definitely need the manipulator because not much is going on in my eyes, and in Sephora when I used it with the manipulator it was like 10 times more pigmented, so I scraped like that little bit amount. Let's see if it does anything. Might need to scrape a bit more. I just mixed it with the manipulator. I have to show you guys. Look at that. That's insane. You might not be able to see it that well on camera, but I'm just gonna put it on with the brush. But yeah, I figured I would just film for you guys while I finish doing my hair with the Dyson. It honestly makes getting ready like so much faster. So I'm just gonna get right into that because it's already okay, time to rush. It's 6 o'clock and we have to be there at 7. So time to speed through this.
Ryan Little.
Hey guys, so I officially finished my hair. Just these curls are eventually gonna drop. We are in a rush. I just want to smooth out the front pieces a bit. Run a bit of oil through my hair. Hopefully it does not frizz off. And finally put on my lip gloss. We're in a rush, of course. I'm just gonna put some of this sparkling soda mist. And now we are ready to go. Let me show you guys my outfit. I'm gonna put all the stuff in my purse.
Ooh, I like it. Yeah, I like it.
So this is my outfit. Not sure if you guys can see with the light back there, but it's just the dress from Zara. And then these boots from Zara, which I love. Show them the fit.
Ooh.
Hey. Wow, I feel really tall. Look in the mirror. This is one of the closest I've ever been to your height. Ignore all the clothes back there again, like I said. But yeah, I'm just gonna wear this with my Gucci purse and then with this leather jacket. So we have to get going. So we will see you guys when we get there.
Sold it to me.
Guys, it's a few days later and today we're going upstate to go pumpkin picking, maybe get some apples. I mean, there's probably not much left, but we were in a rush, so I just wanted to show you guys my outfit quickly before we get into the car. So this is just my outfit. I know it's very different from what I normally wear. I'm just wearing some Vans. Didn't even put my feet in yet. These jeans, which I think are from Zara. They're just the mom jeans. This clearly I have to clean my mirror. This bodysuit from Zara, and then this is just an old flannel I've had from Urban, and then I just paired it with my Gucci bag. Normally I wear like more brown tones when we go here. This is our third time going here, but you know, I decided to switch it up. It is going to be a bit warmer today, so I figured, you know, if it gets too warm I could take this off, keep it on. But yeah, like I said, we are running late, so let's head there. We found the one apple. Did you get it? Doesn't look that bad, honestly. I saw one, now I don't see it.
This is the most wooded area you've ever been in.
Should I go on and get it?
Give it a try. Yeah, give it a try.
First time ever picking an apple. You're not supposed to yank it?
Yep.
My first apple.
There she is.
Looks a little interesting, but it's good enough. back in the car. We had a great time. I didn't get to show you guys, but we were stuck in tons of traffic, like at least an hour coming up here, so that was fun. But we made it. We had a great time, drank some cider, got tons of donuts.
We wait a whole year for those just to enjoy them. They're
the best. And we have our pumpkins in the back that I'll show you guys later. For now, we're just gonna drive home. Maybe Jay loves me enough to take me to Hobby Lobby on the way back, but we'll catch up with you guys later. So we are finally home. My hair looks very frizzy and crazy. I just had to put it up because it was a bit much. I just wanted to show you guys the pumpkins we got. So we got this gray one. I thought it was cute and went with, you know, the decor we have going on. I was gonna get a white one, but we do have the fake white one down there. So didn't want it to be too much. I definitely have to move like my work stuff from there and put that pumpkin there. And then over here, I just got these two little cute ones. I love the little ones. I think they are adorable. Do you like them, Nolly? Let's show Nolly. Look, Nolly. Can't excite her because when Nolly gets too excited, she pees. But yeah, I think we are just going to hang out at home maybe, or maybe we'll go out to dinner. We're still haven't decided. But yeah, I'll take you guys along with wherever we go next.